Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to show you a double-click trick to copy your formula quickly down a column. Let's look at a simple example. In column D, I'm calculating the total revenue in cell D2 with a basic formula, which is multiplying the quantity sold by the unit price. You may be familiar with copying the formula down the column by grabbing the fill handle in the bottom right of the cell and dragging it down the column. This works, but is slow if you have hundreds or thousands of rows. Here's a quicker way to copy the formula down the column. If I click on D2 again, then hover over the fill handle in the bottom right until I see the black cross. I then just double click and the formula is filled down the column. One point to watch with this method is that if you have any blank rows, then the formula will stop in the row above, as it is assumed that that's the end of the data set. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.